Amazfit GTR 3 Pro Smartwatch. The Amazfit GTR 3 Pro smartwatch is an impressive addition to the Amazfit product lineup. With its sleek design, advanced features, and user-friendly interface, this smartwatch is sure to appeal to a wide range of users. One of the standout features of the Amazfit GTR 3 Pro is its GPS capabilities. Whether you're a runner or a hiker, having accurate GPS tracking right on your wrist is incredibly convenient. You can easily track your outdoor activities and monitor your progress in real time, making it easier than ever to achieve your fitness goals. The heart rate monitor is another valuable feature of this smartwatch. It provides continuous heart rate tracking, allowing you to monitor your heart rate throughout the day and during workouts. This is especially useful for those who are focused on maintaining their cardiovascular health or are looking to optimize their workouts. In addition to its fitness-focused features, the Amazfit GTR 3 Pro also offer